Hello, my loves. Welcome back to Sister to Sister. My name is Fumi Desalu-Vold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, when I tell you, who pissed 2020 off? I live in London. So the first surprise was that Harry and Meghan picked up and said they were leaving. And we were like, exactly to where? You're royal. They said, we don't want to be senior royals anymore. We're up and we're out. I said, okay, you know what? If it makes you happy, if that's what you gotta do, not a problem. Let me just turn this off and walk around the house because we are confined in the home. I've just finished filming. So after that, we had the heartbreak of Kobe passing away, the 7 other passengers, including his daughter. Before I continue, I would like to applaud all of the essential workers, that being, of course, the entire medical staff. Clapping for the NHS. Thank you so much. Yes, Paduski. We're so grateful. Thank you. As well as everybody working at the supermarkets providing food for us. It has been one of those experiences that I pray I never experience again because the death toll is staggering. As we speak, New York has more deaths than they ever did for September 11th. That is scary. We are fine. Ula's fine. Adrian's fine. We're just humbled that we are very fortunate to be able to be together because not all families are together. Here they are. Say hi to my family, mi familia. Hi, Adrian. Hi, Papi. I'm walking around. Like I told you, we're confined. So we're just really grateful that we are together. But having said that, I also have a lot of thought. Hi, honey. Hi, honey. He's so cute. He's babbling a lot right now. Look at him. Because I'm wearing this. Anyway, as I was saying, so, of course, we have those mothers-to-be that are expecting. I can't imagine how that feels for you right now. My heart goes out to you. I also have empathy for those that cannot be with their older parents. There's so much that is going on right now, and it's very humbling. One thing that I know for a fact now, leave room for the unexpected. For the unexpected that you could never ever foresee. Leave room for that. I also give you a piece of advice. If you can do something today, do it. Ula came to me and said, Fumi, let's move. And I was like, darling, let's move in the new year. He said, you know what, Fumi, I just have that feeling we should move and spend Christmas and New Year in the new place. Adrian's getting bigger. He needs to run around. And I said, okay, fine. And I don't know what we would have done, hi, honey bunny, if we hadn't, because we need the space for him. My sister's in New York. She was September 11th survivor. They're doing well. Of course, I have family in Scotland. I have family in Norway. And everything is insignificant. And you just call each other, you FaceTime each other. I wanted to film this differently because it's a different time. And I pray, God, that it never, ever, ever become the same ever again. That we will learn from this. that we will become more humane to each other. This cancel culture in the beauty community, this high-handedness that you're entitled, the disrespect, the inconsideration, the lack of empathy. This is a retribution for all that we have done. The earth needs some peace. It needs some rest. It needs to just breathe, and we need to breathe. I'm really happy for some of my friends that are workaholics, crazy workaholics. For the first time, they can rest, they can be with their families, take this time to enjoy each other, because we really don't know when our numbers are up. I'm in Adrian's bedroom. Look at him. I don't know where he's gone. You know, but I'm distracting him, so let me just go downstairs. It's a lot to take in, but we will get through this. It's just a learning curve. We just have to be humble. We have to be humble. It was just too much. The Lord above said, you know what? Let me rectify a few things. Let me set a few things straight, because maybe you would have forgotten, but I brought all of you all here, and we have. And for me, I feel that all of this, we have to learn from it. There's something to be learned here. What is the lesson? The lesson is that we have to appreciate each other so very much more. It's just crazy. It's just, I have never seen anything like this. I spoke to my mother. My mother said, Fumi, I've been here longer than you, baby. It's a leap year. It's a leap year, so this is what it is. Ride it out. I don't want anybody to be under any pressure to say, I have to do this now because I got the time. You have to take the time to assimilate everything that is coming in. A lot of us don't have that financial stability. They're out of work and they have to line up for unemployment. So, you know, it's very, very hard for you to think about, let me get my body right, let me get this right, let me get that right, when you don't have the money, when you're living in a very confined, small space. I've been there. I lived in a studio apartment when I was in LA because I was out every day. So I just came home to sleep and that was it. Some of you will be asking, Fumi, we love your beat. It is my palette in collabs with Juvia's Place. This right here is Adrian. When I tell you I'm grateful. You know, this morning I woke up, I was really heartbroken because there was a mother who gave birth and who died from COVID-19. I have a very close friend who almost lost her husband to this virus. It was touch and go for a long time. And he lost 20 pounds in a matter of days. And she was petrified. I was petrified for her. We didn't even know what to do. So this is real. Stay at home to save lives. Stay at home, not because you're stuck at home, but because you are safe at home. We just have to let this pass. We have to let this pass. As I'm sitting here, I can already see Lifetime, HBO, Paramount Studios. They're going to make television shows of this. They're going to make films of this, movies of this. I can see it. You know, while we're on that subject, there are a couple of films that are in relation to this. If you want to watch, I am so sorry for those that have lost their loved ones. I am so sorry. This year is giving us no breaks. We just ride this out, stay safe, and we will come better and stronger in 2021. When we win, we all win. This particular war, because all of us participated in staying at home and saving lives. You would have won, I would have won. I want us to come up out of this different people. It's just too much going on in the world and it just needed to reset. Hang in there, guys. Let the beauty community come out better and let's talk about beauty and let's be beautiful from the inside. All of my love, my darlings. I'll see you soon. Let me know if you want me to do this makeup tutorial for you guys. I will. And take very good care of yourselves. And I will see all of you very soon. This has also taught me a lot. And I want to do a couple of things when this is over. Okay? So let Ula and Adrian say goodbye. I'll see you soon. Okay? Adrian, darling. Buji, you want to say goodbye? Yeah, yeah. He's not impressed. Bye. Bye, my loves.